You know that moment when your brain suddenly becomes too loud? Not dangerous, not dramatic, just endlessly busy. You sit down to relax and instantly your mind opens 27 mental tabs, replaying old conversations, imagining worst-case scenarios, and predicting disasters that will never happen. For years, I thought this was just my personality, until I learned the truth. Overthinking isn't a thinking problem. It's a safety response. Your brain isn't trying to make your life harder. It's trying to protect you from uncertainty, embarrassment, rejection, and anything that once hurt you. But the more it tries to protect you, the more trapped you feel inside your own head. The breakthrough happened when I finally understood one thing. Your brain can't overthink and take action at the same time. It chooses one mode, and overthinking is simply imagination mode stuck on a loop. So here's the exact method I used to break that loop, the one that actually worked. Step 1. Name the loop. When you catch yourself spiraling, don't say, "I'm overthinking." Say, "My brain is trying to protect me by imagining possibilities." This tiny reframe shifts your nervous system from panic, control. Why? Because your brain is wired to calm down when it feels understood. Naming the loop breaks the illusion that your thoughts are reality. Step 2. Ground the senses. Overthinking can't survive in the present moment. It only lives in imaginary futures or painful pasts. So ask, what do I see? What do I hear? What do I feel physically? This pulls your brain out of imagination mode and back into your body. In neuroscience, this shifts activity from the default mode network, the loop, to the task network, the present. That's why the chaos suddenly quiets. Step 3. Shrink the problem to 1 inch. When your brain doesn't know the first step, it fills the gap with fear. So give it clarity. Ask, what's the next tiny step I can do? Not the whole task, not the entire decision, just the next inch. Your brain relaxes the second it sees direction instead of danger. Step 4. Start for 20 seconds. Not 20 minutes, not until completion, just 20 seconds. Psychology shows that once your brain begins an action, dopamine kicks in and makes you want to continue. This is called the neurochemical momentum effect. 20 seconds is enough to flip your brain from overthinking action. The result. For the first time in years, my mind wasn't a battlefield. It was a channel I could steer. Not because I stopped overthinking, but because I learned how to guide the brain that once guided me. And here's what shocked me most. Overthinkers aren't weak. They're sensitive, intuitive, and hyper-aware. They just never learned how to turn those strengths into clarity. But now you can. Use this method for 1 week and watch how quickly your brain rewires. Fewer spirals, more calm, faster decisions, deeper focus. Overthinking doesn't disappear, it transforms. If you want more psychology videos that help you understand your mind in ways school never taught you, hit follow. Your next breakthrough might be one habit away.